Hello guys, nice to see you again. Let's start developing our drawing skill by using extended drawing. Check this out. Well, once you got the picture, cut it half. It's depend. You want to cut through this one here, or maybe like this way. It's up to you which one is easier for you. So I'm gonna give you two examples like this one here. I cut them already, okay? And it becomes like this. Do not throw the other half because that could be the reference for you to see as the guideline, okay? And they cut also like this. Oh, I picked the other side because hang on a minute. Yes! Oh, it's dry so quick. Yeah? It was like this. I cut it half. Alright, this is our guideline, my guideline. And also this one here. Whoa, so quick. Oh, okay. From here. Different. Here. I cut like this. That's one. The other half will be just drawing. So you just need to draw the other half, like I said. Don't worry, I'm using AB pencil because that's I can. You can use 2B pencils or straight away the marker. So, okay. Like this and there. Like this. You can change it, yeah. Right? Yes, just like this. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. I made a lot of mistakes. I just going over the previous line, so it's not really clear. Okay. Looking at the reference before, so the reference still there. Let's see here. So I'm trying to see. So this is kind of exercise, guys. Train your eye. Okay. Another example, I'm going to start from, okay, from here I'm going to start from the eye. The eyeball first. Let's go. It's actually very interesting to work on the kitty. Yeah. It might not be the same, but just remember this is an exercise. This is it. I know it's not the same look. The tail is it's a little bit far from the branch. This one is too close, but that's fine. It's not the same. So you should try, as I told you, this is an exercise. You can try on any object you can. Okay, like a cat as well. Yes, here. The nose is a bit like going this way. This one's going straight. Mine is like a bit like this way. That's okay. We try an exercise for us to develop our skill. Alright? Try. See you next time.